Let's see Leetcode problem 189 rotate array. We will discuss here two approaches. First approach is brute force approach and second is optimal approach. We will understand the problem and we will understand the approach, and let's code. Let's see the Leetcode problem 189, which is an rotate array. This is a medium level problem. What is description we will read. Given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right side. We have to rotate at right side by k steps, where k is non-negative. Okay, then we will say example 1. Here input is nums array. Nums is an array which contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and k value is 3. Okay, then we have to rotate this array k times, means 3 times. In this case 3 times we have to rotate array to the right side. Okay, means this 1 will shift at 2 will shift at 3, and like this by doing shifting numbers, then we got the output at like this. So I will explain this problem on paper pen, and I will explain the approach on the paper pen. Okay, let's go on paper pen. So let's understand the problem. Problem says we have to rotate array on the right side by k steps. Okay, now here given k is 3, we have to rotate this array to the right side by 3 number. Okay, then it says that I will explain this problem first. Okay, then first given k equal to 1 at the first step, we have to rotate at right side. Okay, then first will be blank space. Second, this we will shift all elements to the right side. Okay, in this then 7 will be remain, then 7 we have to shift at the first. Okay, this is the k equal to 1, means first step. Okay, then second step we have to create for second step. Okay, then 7 will become here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 will remain, 6 will become come back. Okay, then now k is 3. Okay, here is 2 and here is 3. Okay, now this will at the third step it will again shift to the right side. Okay, then first is blank, then 6 7 1 2 3 4. Okay, now 5 is remain, 5 comes backward. Okay, 5 comes backward. So this is our output and this is the problem. Okay, we have to shift our array at the right side. In this Leetcode problem they said right side. In the GFG problems they said at left side, so we have to shift left side on GFG. At this time Leetcode 189th problem is to shift the elements to the right side by k number. Okay, then let's discuss and understand the approach. The approach is that we can clearly see here this first we have to make this array fully reverse, means fully swap this array, means this part become here. Okay, I will write and say when k then when k means we will leave k first, we have to reverse the array. Okay, then it will become 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Okay, this is a reverse. Then we can see here in the output these three elements are reversed. Okay, here 7 6 5 is there, here 5 6 7 is there. Then we have to again reverse these three elements. Okay, so it will become 5 6 7 and this will remain 4 3 2 1. Okay, now once again we can see here in the output is 1 2 3 4 and here is 4 3 2 1. So we also have to reverse this, means 1 2 3 4. So okay, here are 3 steps, 5 6 7, this remains same and now it will reverse. Okay, then 1 2 3 and 4. This is a very simple approach and this approach is a very optimal approach. Okay, we need only 3 steps to create this array output array. Okay, now this is the same. Okay, then we will return this nums array. Okay, this is a very simple approach. So I will write here code and I will explain once again. Okay, first we will take n is the length of array, n is the length of array, and we will create one function which is reverse. Okay, we will create one function to reverse this, means we will not write many more times in one code only. We will reuse the code of reverse and swap. Okay, so first we will create here public void reverse function. Okay, reverse function we will create here, in which we will take the nums input. Okay, nums array and int start and int ending position. Okay, in this we will take int temporary. Why? Because we have to swap that elements from the array, so we will take temp. There are 3 steps to swap the numbers. Okay, that is basic. Then start should be less than equal to end. In while loop we will shift the nums of starting, and at the nums of starting we will shift nums of ending pointer. Okay, nums of ending pointer. Okay, now we will shift nums of ending pointer. Into this we will put temp value. Okay, then we have to increment start and we have to decrement this ending pointer. Okay, then you can observe here, first we have rotated the full array, no? So here we can put from 0 to n minus 1. We have to rotate from starting pointer 0 to n minus 1, and the second step we rotated only first tree. So we will write here 0 to k minus 1, because k is 3, our index is 2, so k minus 1 means at index 2. Okay, and at the third stage we will rotate from k means 3 now index to ending. Okay, then you can see this function gets completed, and here is our normal public void rotate, which they will give the int nums array and the value of k. Okay, we will take here int, which is the nums n, understand it, I will write nums dot length. Okay, and we will write down here reverse function, reverse nums array we have to reverse, so 0 to n minus 1. Similarly we will write here reverse nums array 0 to k minus 1, and third is reverse nums array k to n minus 1. Okay, this is very simple approach, and simply we will return nums. Okay, but here one more case is there. Okay, if they given 1, 2 and 3 and k value is 4 greater than this, then if we swap k equal to 1, then it will become 3 3 1 2. Okay, at k equal to 2 it will become 2 3 1. Okay, at k equal to 3 it will become 1 2 3, and k equal to 4 it will become 3 1 2. Okay, this our answer is this one, right? But it comes correct, but here is k equal to 4. Okay, then at this condition k minus k up to k, the array out of bound exception we will get, error we will get, because our index is only length is 3 and our k is 4, so it will bounce the array out of bounds, it will give the exception. Okay, so we will simply apply here k equal to k modulus n, means length of array. This is the main problem in this problem. Okay, we have to implement this into here. Okay, we have to put this here. Now you can see k equal to k modulus n means 4 modulus 3. Now it becomes 1, remainder is 1. Okay, now it will rotate only one times, and the answer, this answer and this answer is correct. But regularly it will apply, then it will not fit into this condition. Okay, so we have to put here. Here it will not make any sense, because k, now our k value is 3 and length our is 7 here in this problem. Okay, so here k remains only 3 only, remainder, no? So here there is no any chance to get any wrong output. Okay, here we have for these problems we can implement this. So let's see on the code editor on Leetcode. First we have to create an function named reverse. Okay, so I will create here function public void reverse. We will take here array. Okay, int array name is nums. Okay, int starting pointer, int ending pointer. Okay, then we will regularly swap our array as we swap two numbers. So I will take here int temp variable, and into while loop, while yes is less than equal to ending pointer, means starting pointer is less than equal to ending pointer, we will shift temp equal to nums of ending starting pointer into nums of starting pointer equal to nums of ending pointer, and then nums of ending pointer is equal to temporary. Okay, we will simply increment starting pointer and decrement ending pointer. Okay, now our main code is here. We will take n as the length of array. Okay, now here k equal to k modulo n. Okay, then we will implement here function reverse function to nums array. from 0 to n minus 1 means we will rotate full array at starting. At second step we will rotate from 0 to k minus 1. Okay, then at third step we will reverse nums array remaining part means from k to n minus 1. Okay, then let's run the code and see will this code run. Okay, compilation error from k to n minus 1. Okay, let's see the error. Okay, here it becomes nums, here is nums. Okay, let's run the code again. Okay, our code is ran successfully. Okay, now I will submit it. So this was our day 5 of 100 days of code DSA learning. If you want DSA roadmap, then you can go into I button, or you can find a playlist of DSA 100 days of code and with roadmap. You can get the link into description. And this code was of Java, from Java language. This code, and as well as Java as well as C++, both codes I have uploaded on my GitHub account, and that GitHub account link is in the description. You can find this code into description box. Okay, you can find C++ language also and Java language also. Okay, thank you for watching.